So today I'm gonna do this custom nerd costume. I'm so excited for this video. By the way, I didn't go to school because I woke up late and my mom got a headache, something like that. I forgot how, I don't know how it's called. So yeah, yes, that was weird. I also got this owl bed. This is my bed. This is my mom's bed. It's cleaner, so I'm gonna show you her bed. It's like, this is all her bed. There were the pillow and the thing sound like I have to get it. Like I seriously have to. I don't know. I cannot live without it. I have this obsession with bows and owls. So people like owls. Oh, in school we were decorating our journals, and the teacher bring some magazines, and my friend were like, Veronica, there's owls, and she was sitting like far away. She was like, Veronica, there's owls in this magazine. I was screaming like really bad. I wanted the magazine. Yeah, I'll show you right now. This is the back to school. It's like, it's really comfortable, and I like this thing over here. It's like, every single time I want to sleep. Every single time I touch it. So, I didn't finish decorating, but this is, I like German Shepherd dogs. And this is the owl. So cute. So cute. And over here is the chipmunks. Chipmunk? One of them. I forgot the name. And this is the animals in Halloween costume. This is the cat. And I think in the mask. And this is the dog in the witch costume. And this is the another dog in the devil costume. And this is the mouse in the cheese costume. This is the, I think it's a dog. Yeah, it's a dog. The dog's feet in the ghost. I'm so excited. Oh, and over here, a small koala. I like koalas too, but I like owls and German Shepherds dogs too better. I like owls. Like, it's the best bird ever. I also like tigers and lions. Tigers. And I like the zebra. I used to have this phone. I have it somewhere, but I don't know where it is. It's like my mom hid it from me somewhere because it's like doesn't work in there, and I just keep taking it. So yeah. So I think I need to shut up, and I need to start the video of the nerd costume. There is no makeup. I'm not gonna use no makeup. Maybe some lipstick. If you want me guys to, you can. But I'm gonna start with the lipstick. I'm gonna do in the end because I'm too lazy to walk all the way over there because I forgot it to put it on this thing. Can you hear the sound? I know you can. Okay, I need to stop. And I need to start doing the actual video. So, you will need for the hairstyle this really cute bow. I'm obsessed with bows. Like, it's the best thing ever. And this little small bow. And so, this is the first hairstyle. Basically, you just taking the hair like this, and this is the hair, and you just taking over here, and like in the end when you will finish, like in the end, like, and just in the end when you're gonna finish it, just play with your hair like this, and just taking it back, just like a small piece of hair. And then I'm just gonna take a small bow. I like small bows for this better. And so this, and real cute hairstyle. I think I'm gonna go on. We're gonna have a school nerd day, and I'm gonna wear this hairstyle. I will. And basically, for the glasses, you just gonna take. I'm gonna take 3D glasses because I'm not actually wearing glasses, and like I have a good like vision. I think that's how it's called, vision. I don't know. So I'm just gonna take 3D classes. A year ago I was like 11. I took the glass, the things out of it, and it's like it says over here, real 3D glasses. And so if you would have like this here, and you're just gonna take it like this too, and you will like see it like really good over here. I'm just gonna take this. Let's take it like this. My nose like looks really big now because of it. It's like really big. I don't know, that was weird, like over my eyebrows. It's so weird. What if in the picture that I'll be like, I'm a nerd. I'm a real nerd. Now my nose hurts. Ah. Because of the glasses, I barely can see my eyebrows. I feel like I don't have them. So like I will need like this to be able to see them. I like how I look. I'm so excited. I got the owls. One is over there. Over there. And another is over there. And another is over there. Owls on the tree. Okay. I feel so good now in these glasses. That was weird. Forget about it. Don't forget about the hairstyle though. So, yeah. Now let's get started on the outfit.